Hi and welcome to Stellar Surfaces. Here's a great job that we're really proud of. It was actually originally called Joe's Crab Shack, very famous seafood chain that has been right across the United States, and it was acquired and refitted for a completely different restaurant right in the heart of Newport on PCH, right next to the water. So this company is called Guacamigos. They are a tequila and taco company. And so they called us, and the floor was actually in very bad shape. It was actually 4 inches out of level. It had huge dips in the floor. We were called in to provide a leveling option for the floor and also a polished finish at the same time. So we had a discussion with them about different types of finishes and different options they had. So we actually moved forward with a polishable overlay topping. Once the floor was poured in place and we had all of the base anti-vibration layers installed, the overlay was poured and we began to start polishing the very next day. These floors get incredibly hard. A standard concrete floor is about 2,500 PSI, and these floors go from 6,000 to 7,000 PSI in a very short period of time. So we literally start polishing the very next day, and as you can see, the polish results are outstanding. Part of that is to do with the harder density of the material that it affords you a much higher polish than you'd get with regular concrete. The outcome is outstanding. It's got great reflection. It's really improved the environment. It's given a very wow effect, which is what they were looking for. And we're so happy with the outcome, and we just want to let you know that we would be happy to help you on your next project. If you have a similar circumstance on your project, or if you want to get similar results, give us a call today. One of our team will be happy to meet with you, go over options, go over different colors that you can get with these overlays and different polish levels. Give us a call. Like we said, all our information is in the description. Please like us and follow us. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.